Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do dots manipulation in a skirt using pivot method. I hope you find it useful, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share and comment if you have any suggestion for me. So to do that, I'm using a skirt block pattern which I made before. So this is a mini scale, and so it's easy to show it to you in mini scale, but even if you wish to make it your own size or any bigger size, so you still use the same method. There is no change. So the method is same, and like you can use it in any size you want to. So I've got the front and back. So first I'll show you how to do the front, and then I'll show you the back as well. So you place it on your paper and then try to start from the center line, draw around it. So, and I also mark these points which I notched before till here, and then so you only start from here, the center line to the first notch of the dot, and you need to be closed, and you always move it towards center line, so you never close it to the other side, to the side seam. So now you need to put something sharp. I'm not sure if that pen is sharp enough, but I'm using another one. So you put that in this point. This is where the dot is finished, the line joins together, and then you start turning it. As soon as you reach to the next spot, which is here, you stop, and then you start drawing again. So this is our new skirt, so we can call it flare skirt, and then you join these lines together, and this corner shouldn't be this sharp, and you make it round like this. So basically this is our front skirt, yeah, and this one's closed, so there's no dot anymore, and we change it very simply. So now I'm going to do the next one, which is the back. So back is a little bit more complicated, as we have two dots which needs to be closed. So you place it again just like that, and remember you always start from the center line, and also turn it to the center. So I again start from here, so center, yeah. So remember, I put my pen down and turn it clockwise toward the center back. So as soon as I see this little line, I'm done. And now I need to do the second one as well. So this time I don't put my pen in this anymore, I put it in this point and turn it more. Yes, I reached it, so I hope I have enough space in here. Yes. So these two front and back are joining each other, but it doesn't matter because we are not going to use it later. I'm just using it to show you how to do the dots manipulation, but if you are using it to make if you're making it a big scale and going to make something for yourself, always leave a big space between front and back, because you never know how much they're gonna open after. So even this ruler is so useful. Then every corner of it you can use it for somewhere to make the shapes better. So also I need to do the hip line as well for the back. So now in very basic method we have a front and back of flare skirt with pivot method. So these two dots are closed now, you see, and the front is closed. So this is the center back. I put CB for the center back, center front, and side seams. So here is today's video. I really hope you found it useful and enjoyed watching it. Please let me know if you like me to share more of these videos about pattern cutting, or you like me to share illustration videos. Let me know which one is more interesting for you, and so your comment is so important for me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and support me with your likes and comments. So thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.